back into the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. Amazing to be in the kitchen, giving you favorite recipes and ideas. I'm going to make you a carrot juice, but I'm telling you, vegan can have this recipe the way I'm going to be doing it, and because I'm going to be using some almond milk inside of it to blend it and get you the flavor what you're looking for. Stay tuned. If you want to make a big portion, you had more carrot and also more almond milk. Alright, thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page, Chef Ricardo Cooking all the way, and all social media. Stay tuned and don't forget to click on the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Yes, so this is the recipe what I'm talking about. What I'm going to do, I'm going to get some carrot, and I'm going to be using my small Ninja blender. So I'm just gonna be using 2 medium-sized carrots, guys. You know what I mean? Because the best way to do the carrot, you can also boil it off and make it get soft, you know. So I'm gonna put a little piece of ginger in it to bring up the flavor. What I'm going to do, I'm going to be using some almond milk to blend it. So I'm just filling up with almond milk. Lovely and nice. So if you have a good blender like this, that's work perfect for you at home, guys. Alright, what I'm going to do is strain it. So if you want to make a big portion of this drink right here, all you have to do is just keep adding more recipe, alright? That is lovely and nice. Alright, as you can see it for yourself exactly what's going on right there. So basically what I'm going to do now is sweeten it. And I'm going to be using brown sugar. 1, 2. We're going to put a pinch of vanilla. Just to bring in a lovely flavor to it, guys. Honestly, the flavor definitely going to work for it. All right. The flavor going to work. Pinch of mixed spice. Not the egg. And some cinnamon. That is lovely. I like this one. New recipe, new ideas, and I want to share with you guys for you to make at home. Alright? So just sit back, relax, and enjoy the recipe. Especially it's coming up to Mother's Day. Lovely recipe for Mother's Day. So the beautiful thing is, serve it with some ice. Can't go wrong. What do you think about the recipe, guys? Please leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Alright? As I said, we have a lot more recipe coming, a lot more ideas, and a lot more things we'll be making from Chef Ricardo and the team. Please stay tuned and also subscribe. Really amazing and fantastic recipe for you guys to make at home. Yeah. Carrot juice with almond milk. Or you can use rice milk, or you can use soya milk. But this recipe, vegan can have it because there is no different kind of milk product inside of it. It's just really amazing recipe for you guys. Alright? It's just something with milk, with almond milk, to bring in a different flavor for you guys. Alright? So stay tuned, enjoy it, subscribe, and leave a comment and tell me what do you think about the whole recipe. Alright, I'll see you next time with more recipe. Bye bye.